This is a New Year's Day suit called Good Luck. What's it called? I don't know. Hi, it's someone loud behind me driving their car. And I think I need to shut that window more. That would solve a lot of problems. Today I'm making Good Luck soup. It's only 3 words. I feel like I did that wrong. Are we sure that was called? My mom and dad always made me eat pork and greens and black-eyed peas on New Year's Day. It was never my favorite meal. And then Nan, being the genius that she is, she made the soup. It has all of the things you need for a very wonderful new year. And it tastes good. Chopping onions makes me cry. So I got these safety glasses and I'm gonna wear them to chop my onions. So less of the fumes get in. We're gonna get chopping. Oh man, I can like smell these. They would make my eyes water like crazy. Oh, my eyes. Oh my gosh. Safety goggles aren't working all the way. They're not saving my eyes. Onions, why do you torture me so? I don't know why they have to be such jerks. It's like the onion hates me. Let's make peace, onions.